Hello everyone, welcome to Wednesday. We had an up market today, but the market has been more or less trading sideways here for the last week. And I think we're waiting for earnings. So let's just look forward a little and what we might be looking at over the next 12 to 36 months and some of the industries that might benefit from that outlook. I think the way that we shop, the way that we travel, and the way that we work are going to change at least in that 1 to 3 year time frame. And companies that could take advantage of this, there's software is obviously one. We need software. We're using it more now. And software has no supply chain issues like hardware does. And it can be distributed as a workforce. In theory, could be still maintained without everybody having to be in one place. And so those types of companies could do quite well here. We talked about big companies with lots of cash. That's a big area. Consumer staples, I think is very important. Still need to go to Walmart, Costco, Safeway, etc. Still need Procter and Gamble. Still need companies to make toilet paper. Healthcare. That's an area that's really interesting. Obviously, there's a lot of demand for healthcare right now, but there is some expectations that there might be money spent on healthcare over the next 1 to 3 years as they try to ramp up and maybe restructure the healthcare system so that we can deal with these pandemics if they come again at us. And I do believe we will get back to normal. Humans are really good about getting back to normal, but every one of these big downturns that we've have had some lasting impact. And I think that lasting impact is going to come through with a lot more work at home, education at home, and a lot more use of software and technology, robotics, and those types of things. And so those are things we'll be looking for, and I think areas we might be able to take advantage of over the long term. But I want to thank everybody very much so for listening, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you very much.